Hello again and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at people's jobs. For example, if you don't feel well, who do you go to see? A doctor. If you want photographs taken of your wedding, who do you call? A photographer. People's jobs. Have a look at these on Uncle Jeff's board. So, 4 different situations, 4 different problems. Who can help with these? The first one, a few private lessons would help him pass. The word begins with a T. Second one, I need extra sockets in the kitchen. Who can help? Begins with E. Next one, your hair looks a mess. It's too long. Who do you go to see to help? Begins with an H. And the last one, I wish that tap would stop dripping. Who do you call to help? Begins with a P. Okay. First one. A few private lessons would help him pass. You need a teacher. A teacher. Teacher. The stress. Teacher. Teacher. Number 2. I need extra sockets in the kitchen. You need an electrician. An electrician. An electrician knows all about electricity. An electrician. Electrician. 4 syllables, third one stressed. Electrician. Number 3, your hair looks a mess. It's too long. You need to see a hairdresser. 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 3 syllables, stress on the first. Hairdresser. And the last one, I wish that tap would stop dripping. You need a plumber. A plumber. A plumber. Plumber. Stress on the first syllable. Plumber. Teacher. Electrician. Hairdresser. Plumber. And many years ago, my dear old dad was Winston Churchill's plumber. English vocabulary, the words for jobs, they are easy-peasy. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.